I am going to unbox the noise Colorfit Qube, a smartwatch. Now I am going to unbox it. And this is made in India product. And this is the unboxing of
Smartwatch.
a smartwatch Colorfit Qube. And this contains a lot of facility like heart rate monitoring, SpO2 level monitoring, etc.
Okay, Bhaiya, what is the price of this smartwatch?
I have purchased this smartwatch at 30,149 rupees only because I get the special discount of 150 by using the student ID card. And I have also add-on facility like I have used 29 rupees add-on that couch better uh, extension of warranty. And this product have a lot of facility like we can track our phone when we find that I am not able to track the phone, then there is a button. When we touch it, it will sound in your mobile phone.
Okay.
This have a lot of screen features. This is a messaging, but in message you can't be able to see or send the message to other person. But if any other person send you message, then you are able to read that message only, and not able to send that message to other ones in terms of reply. You can also use a Skype, WhatsApp, etc. in this. And there is also somewhat what health monitoring like heart rate, SpO2 level, that is oxygen level, and so on. A sport facility. If you are going to here and there, and you want to count your step, what are the distance that you have traveled, then it can count.
Okay, Bhaiya, how you start this watch?
Yeah, there's on starting there's a barcode in the screen,
Yes.
and at first you need to install